Why we need to practice Qigong? That's a really good question. Normally we ask such question because we don't know whether something is necessary to us or not. Is Qigong necessary to your life? All things I am doing, making videos, creating and teaching online courses, conducting workshops and retreats, are all to answer this question and help more people be aware of it. It is not possible to cover it all in just one video, but I will try. In order to answer this question, we need to understand what is Qi and what is Qigong. What is Qi? It is also a big question. In history, people have written thousands of books trying to define it and still doing it. It is difficult to describe it in few sentences. Also, I am not here to give any conclusion. I'm just a process to help you become aware of it. You know, Qi is a Chinese word. It's been existed for thousands of years in Chinese culture. You may not familiar with it or heard about it before, but you may already experience what it stands for. Qi is not a special thing that only happened in China. In different culture, it has different name or term. You see, when you came to this world, you probably asked such question. Who created this world? How and why? You looked at your mom, doesn't look like she did it. You looked at your dad, definitely not him. In different culture, depend on where you are from, people have different name for that. God, the universe, higher power, or Ling. Whoever or whatever created this world, one thing is clear that in order to create something, you need some basic raw material, isn't it? Modern scientists keep trying to discover it. They break everything they know and trying to find the smallest substances, and still have a long way to go. In China, thousands of years ago, we just saved the hustle and gave it the name Qi. You don't have to see it, but your life is pretty much depending on it. You may ask, can I prove it to you? I cannot, but you can. Even modern science technology is so advanced, still nobody can see inside an atom, even through the electron microscopes. We don't need to see it, and we still get to know electron, neutron, proton inside atom and use them to make our life better. Right now, we perceive this world only through our 5 sensory organs. Any tools we created use current technology are just extension of our 5 senses. What's beyond physical cannot be perceived by our 5 senses. And this world is not only physical. Actually, physical is just a small portion of the whole universe. Modern science already proved that the whole universe is made of energy, and everything vibrates. Einstein made it very simple and clear that everything can be transformed into energy. That means all physical forms are just a manifestation of non-physical. So, in our life, there are a lot of things not happen as we wanted, simply because we cannot see beyond what we can perceive. Now think about this. If you can somehow understand and manage the basic raw material, Qi, which is the foundation of the universe, everything, including ourselves, what can be manifested in your life? If you want to perceive it, you need to transcend yourself beyond the physical dimension. In another word, upgrade yourself to You 2.0. There are many different ways to upgrade ourselves, and those ways we call them Qigong. Qigong is a general term. There are so many Qigong forms and theories, works on different aspects of our life. Dragon Spine method is one of them. which focuses on physical body to build a strong and healthy foundation. There are many others, such as Qi replenishing method, works on energy, and some other standing and sitting meditations work on deeper dimensions. These forms are all derived from thousands of years of experience of Qigong practitioners. There are maybe thousands of reasons made them to start practice Qigong. But one thing is common, that we all want to become the better version of ourselves and live as a joyful human being in this life. If you're wishing for the same thing, Qigong is already part of your life. I wish this video gave you some idea about Qi and Qigong. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. 混元灵通，好啦。